One of the great resources offered by the OregonFlora website is a way to identify plants anywhere in the state. You start by clicking or tapping to drop a pin in the area of your unknown. Press search, and that creates a list of plants known from our database to occur within that area. You then simply select all of the characteristics that you recognize about your plant. Each one that is selected narrows down the list of candidates until you get to a reasonable number and can compare the profile pages to your unknown. So let's give it a try, starting from the beginning. In the Tools drop-down in the header, click or tap to select Identify Plants. Let's say we're on a hike in the Cascades in the forest. I click to drop a pin in that area. At this point, if I know the plant family of my unknown, I can enter it here to narrow down the list quickly. This makes this a great tool for professional botanists as well as for those who are just learning about plants. Let's create our list of plant species known to occur in this area. And here it turns out to be over 800 different plants. As we're walking along in the forest, we come across this plant. I see that it's an herb. It's not a tree or shrub. It has white flowers. I count 6 petals on it. Looking at the leaves, I see that the leaves are divided into 3 parts. That's referred to as ternately compound leaves. So with what we've identified, let's go back to our list and filter on those characters. You can enter the characters in any order, and if you decide that you want to change your mind, you can also remove a characteristic. The list gets smaller and smaller with every selection we make. We've gone from over 800 now to just 5. So let's start looking at the profile pages and compare it to our unknown. This one, the inside-out flower, or Vancouveria hexandra, looks like a match. I've got the pictures, the distribution map, and a written detail to compare to my unknown and confirm that that's what we've identified on our hike using this tool.